feels like there are 1,000 new AI tools every week, but the people getting the best results aren't chasing these new tools. They're building this instead. This is your AI operating system. This is day 6 of 6 lessons from 6 months helping teams implement AI. Previously, I was a data scientist, and about 6 months ago, my co-founder and I left to run our own AI education and consulting agency. And here's what I've learned. My team interviewed leaders and professionals across industries to figure out how they're struggling with AI. One of the leaders shared, before we even get to the AI part, can we just map out our processes? Most people jump straight into AI tools, but it turns out that AI needs a strong foundation and structured data in order for you to get any value out of using the tool. The AI operating system is that foundation, and it's built on this one core principle, making the invisible visible in how you work. We're turning how exactly we work into assets and data that any tool can use. And by the way, if you look at all the top AI orchestration platforms, they all require some version of these components. So there are 3 buckets with 7 assets total, so let's go through them. First, you have process. This is where we document how work gets done. Playbooks are the high-level strategic guide. They provide the what and why behind our work. SOPs provide the step-by-step instructions, so you could have several of them for each playbook. Then we have AI SOPs. Those are SOPs, but formatted with much more detail for AI to be able to complete the task reliably. This was covered in lesson 5, so check that out if you haven't seen it. Then we have context. This is the information that your AI needs to do the job. We have your knowledge base. These are any reference documents or data sets that your tools are going to need to be able to tap into to get the job done. Then we have a prompt library. Anytime you get value out of a prompt and you want to use it in the future, we should be documenting and versioning these prompts, which we covered in lesson 1. Then we have systems. This is where you track what you're building. Tools will contain a registry of all the different tech and software you use in your stack. Then we have projects and workflows. This is where you document all of your live AI implementations, things like your custom projects, your GPTs, any of your automations. When you take the time to turn how you work into assets that any technology can tap into, that's how you prepare your team or business for the future. By the way, I put together a full breakdown video of the AI operating system in much more detail, so just DM me AIOS if you want that full breakdown. And those were my 6 lessons from 6 months helping teams implement AI, so follow along for more content like this.